It's not going to be easy. It's going to be fucking hard.
Yo, can you hear me now, boys? Cannot thou hear me now, boys? Let me know, let me know, let me know. I think we got it fixed. I think we got it fixed. Let me know, chat. Let me know. 1 second here. Let me get this as well. All right, guys. I think we got it. I think we got it. Good morning, guys. Welcome in, welcome in. Not sure where I got cut off there, but good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Thursday. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button, boys. Here's our opening bell, by the way. Let me not miss it. Let me not miss it. Ding, ding, ding. Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure. I still don't know why my mic does that. Like every 5 days, it just randomly cuts out as soon as I start talking into it. So I don't know why that happens, but we're here. What's up, Melda? Good morning. Good morning, Manny. Cap the Goat. Nika, good morning. Sean, Michael, Gecko, Royland, Bilal Trades. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hope everybody is doing well. Welcome in, welcome in. Top of the morning to yous. Let me turn the background music down a little bit. Hopefully you guys can hear it. No poll today. I had a poll in here, but I guess, did it get deleted? I don't know how that happened. Let me drop one in there. What's going on, chat? Bullish, bearish, chop. All right. Poll is now dropped in the chat once again, so we should be good to go. All right, guys. Hey, let's see here real quick. Economic calendar today. We had an Iran headline 3 hours ago. Iran's supreme leader has ordered the near weapons grade uranium must stay in Iran. What? 8:30 this morning, we had unemployment claims at 9:45. So 15 minutes into the open, we have flash manufacturing and flash services PMI. So we'll keep an eye out for that 15 minutes into the open here. So let's go ahead and dive in. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we did end up making our way up to this 4-hour wick high. And you can see the reaction that we're getting now. Nothing really here holding us up, you know, other than just this 4-hour wick that filled this 4-hour imbalance. And then on the 1-hour charts, getting close to Asia low here. We did have this hourly fair value gap that was left here on the NASDAQ. Let me just go full screen here on NQ. Otherwise, yeah, there's not really much in this range, right? Obviously, we got some unfilled potential down here on the 1 hour, but this has really just been pretty range bound all week for the most part, just stuck inside of this same, I mean, it's a pretty big range. What is this range? You're looking like a 600-700 point range, 6-7. But yeah, pretty range bound. After taking out this 4-hour high, I definitely would not mind to see this run back down towards, you know, these lows. Perhaps the, I'm going to mark out this low. This is the Tuesday low. Not needed or not. I'm not 100% sure that that's what we're going to do, but I don't think that would be out of the question. Was there a little daily gap in here as well? There was a little daily gap. Obviously, this daily structure, yesterday's close, pretty strong. So we'll have to see. But I guess moral of the story is I really wouldn't be surprised, I guess, either way. If we see a manipulation down, maybe just take out an internal low. This low looks like, if we were to just kind of measure this out from range low to range high, 50% is like right here. So could we see a manipulation down and then see this area hold to then continue higher? Yeah. Could we see this totally sell off? I think that could be possible as well. So we'll see. I know NVIDIA earnings came out yesterday afternoon. It did beat the earnings, as I think everybody expected. Nothing really crazy, though, in terms of a reaction from there, however. So, yeah, I guess we'll have to see how price wants to react here. Mark out this high, and then let me just clean this up. So, yeah, not really holding a strong bias right now, guys. Just going to kind of react to what price wants to do. Myself, personally, let me know what you guys got your eyes on. We got Dow Jones retracing right now into a 4-hour bullish gap. A lot of equal highs on Dow Jones. Kind of stacked up here. So maybe that could be an indication of things to come, boys and girls. But otherwise, yeah, we'll just have to see. 9:30 open, little wick down here below this recent local low. We got Asia low right here. Stop just shy of that. Just making sure we didn't swipe it on E-mini, which we did not. Okay, so we still got Asia low intact. On NQ, we have traded below it here on ES, however, and on Dow. So NQ looking like the strongest asset at the moment. But otherwise, yeah, that's all I really got, man. That's all I really got. Nothing too convicting right now, boys. We'll just see what price wants to give us. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Good morning, guys. Good morning. What's up, Dylan? RTY, perfect equal lows on the weekly. Let me check the old RTY. I haven't even looked at it this week. Shame on me. Shame on me. Perfect equal lows on the weekly chart? Is that what you're telling me? Yeah, right here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Perhaps, perhaps. Perhaps. I will drop down to the 5 here. But yeah, we'll see if price wants to retrace up into this hourly up here. And then maybe sponsor something, accumulation, manipulation, distribution down, question mark. We'll see. We'll see. Could very well be. We'll just mark it out. Hourly breaker here as well, actually. All right. Alrighty, I think we are all set here. By the way, if you guys use TradeSync, I had to reestablish my connections this morning. So if you guys, let me know if you guys had to do the same thing. But just a heads up on that, if you guys are using TradeSync, I had to reestablish mine. You know what's crazy? So I set a sell limit on silver last night on my Grand Cup account, and right now, well, I deleted it because it didn't get filled. But I set a sell limit. I set a sell limit on my Grand Cup account for silver right here. So we ended up getting that sweep above that target level that I was looking at yesterday. And then we get this sell-off here in Asia. Big, BPR here on like the 15. And then hourly wick. I was kind of hoping that I could get like an OTE retracement. I basically just set my sell limit here at OTE there before I went off to Betty buy land, and yeah, it didn't get filled, so obviously deleted it this morning, but was just aiming for this wick low right here. So you can see that we're trading to that right now. But anyway, my trade syncers tell me I deleted it, but my trade syncer tells me that it's still open. I'm hitting flat and all, so maybe it's just glitching out right now. But yeah, just keep an eye on that, boys. But should be all good there. Never ended up able to take a trade on the Grand Cup account yesterday with silver. Wanted a full port on silver, but maybe we'll have to save it for today. Might have to save it for today. They had a cloud issue. Oh, okay. Well, I guess as long as it works. I reestablished all my connections, so as long as it works fine, then no harm, no foul. No harm, no foul, right? Trade left all my accounts open with open positions last night, and I lose 6 accounts. Manny, it's possible, but Manny, I kind of have trouble like when I read stuff like that. To me, I think what's more likely is you didn't hit flat and all when you were done trading, and you forgot that you had some positions open. But maybe I'm wrong. Don't fucking come at me. Morning, I see a tap into the H1FEG BPR, then move lower. Yes, TRP or TR Productions. That's kind of what I'm hoping to see here as well. If not, you know, if we see a trade down below Asia low and these lows first, then, you know, maybe we'll see a move back up into this gap later. We could use, but what's up, Newton? Good morning, man. All right, gave you guys a little bit of a minute here on the poll because the first one that I had apparently got deleted, but what are we at here? 103 votes in the poll. We got 50% of the chat is bullish, 43% of the chat is bearish. So pretty even, actually. Not really too tilted one way or the other. Range, back in the range, boys. Back in the range bound markets. At near the all-time highs. Back like we never left. Opened a short before I went to bed. 2 a.m. I opened a short before I went to bed, and at 2 a.m. my time it tagged TP. I woke up this morning and I saw 6 were donezo. Open a short. Okay. So what happened? So one of them hit TP, but 6 didn't. What happened? Was it the leader? Was it followers? Yeah, I guess I never copy trade overnight because I'm afraid of things like that happening. Every time I'm done trading, I always hit flat and all. Every single, like, as soon as my stop loss or my TP gets hit on any trade, I just flatten all, just for peace of mind. And then, yeah, if my silver trade on the Grand Cup account got triggered last night, I wasn't going to be copy trading that, obviously. But that is truly unfortunate, Manny, if that is what happened. If I were you, and you have any sort of evidence, like, I don't know if you were recording anything at all, but I would definitely send that to them. TP, what's that? Yeah, I've heard it. It's a big myth that I'm still chasing after, but people on the internet tell me it's real. We were on the 4. Yeah, well, we're in the 4-hour FEG, but we're in the wick because we already filled it, and then we went to a new high. So just how I look at gaps is, when a gap sponsors a new high or a new low, to me, it's done what it did its job. Now, that's not to mean that it can't hold again, I guess. But I would just be looking at the rejection block as the reason why, not so much the retest of this fair value gap, if that makes sense, right? But yes, technically we are in that 4-hour gap again. Oh, it's doing that. Wow, we're really not moving too much. We're kind of just stalling here before this 15 or 9:45 PMI news, aren't we? So yeah, guys, we got flash and services PMI here in 3 minutes. So looks like we're just going to be chopping until then, for the most part, unless we get a move here like right prior to. NQ looking like it kind of wants to pop up into this gap. ES looking like it wants to jump off a cliff. Dow Jones already jumping off said cliff. PMI, I believe so. Yeah, I believe it used to be red folder. Yeah. Same goes with a couple other news events as well that they've recently changed to orange folder. I don't know what constitutes changing from orange to red, but treat it like red folder. I mean, I don't really trade until like the first 15-minute passes anyway, usually. So I guess you could say so. I'm waiting on it for sure. It's just usually cleaner waiting for news, whether it's 10 o'clock, 9:45, and then you got less things to worry about going wrong. Less reasons to be paranoid, chat. Which indicator do I have for sessions? This one that you're seeing on my chart right now is just the ICT everything. So I only have Asia range highlighted here, and then with that, it also extends to the standard deviations of Asia on both sides. If I'm just kind of quickly trying to identify the sessions in the kill zones, I'll just use this ICT kill zones and pivots. This is a pretty popular one. And yeah, Asia, London kill zones, New York AM and PM and lunch is what I have for that. But yep, just these two if I'm trying to identify sessions really. The main reason that I use ICT everything for is honestly just to mark out the opening prices. 8:30, 9:30, New York midnight, weekly open, monthly open. And then it also kind of like really quickly divides the days up as well, starting at New York midnight. So like if I go to the hourly chart, you can see, right, here's Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. So really kind of can zoom out quickly and see day by day like what price did, were we in an accumulation, did we manipulate? Are we expanding? You know, and it separates it like that. So those are pretty much the two reasons that I use ICT everything for mostly. Oops. Whoops. All right, guys. 9:45 here. And we'll see what we get, boys. We'll see what we get. Do I take trade today or am I watching the charts? I would like to take a trade today, yeah. As long as we can get some good movement. Are you always in line with consistency rules or whatever total profit you needed to get that payout? When you say in line with consistency rules, does that mean? I mean, if you have a consistency rule that you're following, it doesn't make sense because you have no benefit to make more than whatever that. So whatever your profit target is, for example, on the 150K accounts, 20% consistency rule, 9,000 profit target. That means that there's no benefit to making more than 1,800 in a day. So yes, I would never purposely make more than 1,800 in a day. If I was in a trade and I was up $1,800, I would just close it on those accounts. It doesn't hurt you if you go over it, but it just doesn't make sense. It doesn't really pay to go over it because then you got to make more. Yeah, ICT kills on. Yeah, it does have all that. Yeah, but I like IC or I just like this ICT everything one because it's kind of clean and minimalistic, and I only need this one for just kind of identifying quickly like London, mainly London session. Slap that on, mark out the levels, go on with my day. My window setup, what did it cost? I think my PC was like 3K, something like that. I think it was like 2,800 or something before taxes. Gosh, I don't know. 3 monitors, camera. The lens on the camera is probably more expensive than the actual camera itself. Some lighting, this mic. Dude, I really don't know. My whole setup. If I had to guess, I'm going to say Probably like 7 or 8,000 maybe. I guess all in all. The power of 3 indicator here. This one is a paid version, yeah, by 2 degrees. He has a free one that just shows you 1 candle at a time. And then there's another like ICT higher time frame indicators by Fadi. That one as well is a free one that you can try out. But yes, this one is the paid version. They gave it to me. They gave it to me for free. And I would imagine they do that because a lot of people ask like, "Hey, what's that indicator?" And then they see that it's that, and then they go buy it. So I imagine that's probably why they gave it to me for free. But it's nice. I like it. Don't like the super colorful indicators on my chart? Same, yeah. Same, yeah. Yeah. Maybe I should delete the green up close candles and make them like white or off gray or something as well. Just go totally colorless here. Let the only red and green be the P&L, boys. It's just such a classic color combo, boys. The green and black. My original color combo used to be blue and black. And then everybody was like, "You're copying TJR." Even though I had those colors before I even knew who fucking TJR was. Fuckers. So I'm like, but I can't risk people saying stuff like that. So I changed it. But yeah, I used to be blue and black right here. This used to be the thing right here. You know what I'm saying? There's just some things in life you just can't risk, you know? Some things in life you just can't risk, and that was one of them for me. That was one of them. But this used to be the way, the truth and the light for me. The blue black. It's always fun messing with your chart colors when you're bored, ain't it? Let's see what other. I had a couple other templates. I deleted some now. I used to have a lot more. Let's see here. I don't. Which one did I just have on? I think I had that one on. White and black. I do have a white black. I do have a white black template, don't I? I don't know why this thing keeps coming on. The old white black boys. And then what's this other one I have here? I named it desert because it's like a desert tone. Talk on that one. This is like the warm color if you want to go easy on the eyeballs. This is the warm background. We'll go back to our originally scheduled programming. Just like so. All right. But I always come back to this one, boys. I always come back to this one. It's just the classic. Somehow I always find my way back to this one. You're only here because you thought I was TJR? I am, by my mentorship. Yeah, boys. Everybody knows. Oh, what's going on here? We're jumping here. 9:52. Keep an eye out for any headlines coming out, chat. Looks like there may be one. Maybe just dropped. We just kind of picked up some volatility here. Let me know if you guys are seeing anything coming across the information desk. Don't keep no secrets now. Don't keep no secrets now. Chopping nicely, you're not wrong. White, black with the mid-dark gray. But yeah, the rule of thumb is, boys, whenever you're on a losing streak, the quickest and easiest way to get out of a losing streak or a rut in your trading is just switch up your chart colors. Just switch those chart colors up, right? Give yourself a little fresh reset. That is the way. Works every time. Well, maybe not every time. Let's just say 60% of the time, it works every time. That doesn't make sense. What's up, Anthony? Good to see you, man. Stop was 29,191. 29,191. Were you longing? Were you longing? You just get stopped out here, or what's going on? Revolver doesn't sound so bad right now. Yeah, just do you prefer your revolvers with or without condiments? Ketchup, mustard, the works. Like what's kind of your go-to there? Easier to have dark background. Don't have to constantly switch brightness for different applications. Yeah, that's true, I suppose. Yeah, we might see that 10 a.m. reversal. It's kind of playing out how we thought we might see it, right? Maybe see this push up into that hourly gap, leave all these lows kind of generated here, and then distribute down. You would like to think that this should be high resistance up here because we took out these highs here to the left as well as that 4-hour high, which was a previous day high from last week. So you would like to think that we could see another move down here, as this should be more low resistance, at least you'd think. You hope I win every trade today and cry tears of joy. Well, if that's the case, we'll just take one trade and then we'll be done. And then we'll cry tears of joy, which is fine with me. Totally fine with me. You know what? I'm going to be safe here, boys. Give me one sec. Here, I gotta add my new mic to every single scene that I have. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna make sure, just to be safe. I'm gonna make my Grand Cup account here not the leader on this, just in case that silver trade does fucking get picked up. I ain't gonna risk that. Where did it go? There we go. Okay. So yeah, we'll see. 1 hour gap tag here on NQ. And hourly breaker here. Since this gave us the new high. We'll see. We'll go full, I guess. Yeah, the only chart that kind of looks scary for like a short right this second is ES and Dow Jones. NQ looks great. Love Gymshark though. Oh, yeah. Somewhere out there, someone is full tilt right now about to blow their accounts. Well, you can say that every day. Every day the market's moving, we got someone blowing their account somewhere. I don't really have like a bias. I'm kind of wanting to see a move lower off this hourly BPR that we had here, or not hourly BPR, hourly SIBI. BPR on the 15-minute, I guess. And yeah, I'm just trying to stay patient here. I mean, I'm not gonna turtle soup that on the hourly, but is this just gonna hit this hourly gap and just fall off a cliff straight down, or what do you guys think? I kind of want to see us bounce, form some structure that we can utilize, and then maybe 10 a.m. we get that. But 9:59 here, 1 minute till hourly and 4 hour close. But yeah, no hard bias for today. I'm pretty neutral just because I didn't really know coming into the day which way we'd want to expand. So I'm still, you could say, open to either direction, but in the short term here, willing to entertain shorts off of this hourly for potential for now. Here's the 5 minute. Long, I'm not gonna do anything right now. This still could do it either or. There's 10 a.m. You got your lick back? All right. So you rejoined the long, did you, Anthony? Is that what happened? I'm assuming. Hard when Iran news coming every 10 minutes. That is true. Did we get a headline, by the way, boys? Was that what caused that? Indeed, indeed. 6 minutes ago, Iranian official denies report that Iran's supreme leader said the uranium must stay in Iran. Oh, so that's good, I guess. Headlines be coming out. They be like, JK, LOL. Oh, my gosh. I really do feel kind of like bad for people that just started learning how to trade within, I mean, what's the date today? May 21st, 2026. So like, I don't know. Like anybody that just started trading this year or even just like within the last, even like 12 months, I guess dating back to like last April, things got real crazy. It's just it's just interesting, right? Everything's just totally different. Compared to like people that were starting to learn during Biden's administration, where everything was calm because he was always napping. Always napping or eating ice cream. The only Biden headlines you would have to worry about are Biden fell downstairs, Biden fell off his bicycle, Biden pooped his pants, Biden loves peanut pecan ice cream, or this man who transitioned just beat everybody in a woman's sport. Like that was like the only headlines you had to worry about. Started last year at all-time highs. Best time to start, in my opinion, because when the market conditions improved, it felt like twice the trader because I want to see price much more clear. I know, but like it just doesn't. Last year though, at all-time high, so it doesn't even still compare to like 2022, 2023, even 2024 was nice. Yes, Kevin. Yeah, everybody was a genius back in COVID. And I suppose everybody's kind of a genius now with holding long-term investments just because everything's at all-time highs and going higher. Other than crypto at this point, but yeah, especially during COVID when everything was rallying, stocks and crypto, like you could literally buy anything and make money. It's me, but thankfully I got my first payout at least before Day of Judgment. Before Day of Judgment? What? What do you mean? I thought Day of Judgment is when we die. Are we selling off that FEG? I mean, we're going to find out. I don't know. I can't call it, but that would be nice. But yeah, that's why I don't like turtle soup this stuff. I always wait for confirmation on the lower time frames just to make sure because, you know, sometimes we hold, sometimes we don't. But I would say like right now, I mean, lower time frame bullish order flow has maintained. So now we've traded up to above 50% of this hourly gap, right? We do actually have an hourly BPR here, I see now. Now that I'm zoomed out here looking at the E-mini chart. We do actually have an hourly BPR that we tapped into also. This hourly candle opened and wicking higher right now. So can we get open, high, distribution lower out of this 1 hour? I would like it. I would like it. Or are we just going to fly back to the highs here? I will, if this don't go down, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I will make the case for, I'll make the case for longs here if you guys, if you really need me to. Just because this is how the world works, right? So on Dow especially, well, actually, let me just do this. I'll just show you guys. Give me 1 second. All right. Here we go. So the only case that I would have for longs, right, is so if you're looking at this hourly, E-mini here in the middle, S&P, NQ over here on the right, and then Dow Jones over here. So the case that I think you could maybe make for longs is that Dow Jones at the open did get a strong manipulation down below all of these lows here into a 1 hour and 4 hour imbalance. So here's the 4 hour chart. Notice how NQ tags down into here really clean, wicks all the way back up, and we got these equal highs like right here on Dow Jones. To me, this would be bullish on this asset, obviously. And on the 4 hour on NQ and ES, it's a little bit more of a toss-up, I would say. We closed bearish on the 4 hour candle. And then here's the hourly. You know, so does this manipulation down on Dow Jones push everything else up? I don't know, but I would like to just favor the price action here on NQ. Oh, here we go. May just use this 5-minute OB. We got 2 minutes left on this 5-minute. We'll see here, though. Just got back down to that opening price. What do we look like on the 2 minute? Oh, we did get a 2 minute inversion. How risky do I want to be here? What's our stop look like? Something like that, 50 points. I'm going to try this short, guys, with 3 micros, but I may add to this if we get this 5 minute order block lower. Going off this 2 minute inversion. It's a little bit riskier. As you can see, it's already just going straight back up. Oh my gosh. Don't do me like this, boys. Don't do me like this. Literally, as soon as I entered, just straight up. Oh, boy. Immediately reclaims that gap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna hop out of that for now. I don't like it. I don't immediately, as soon as I entered, boom, straight fucking back up. So that didn't work out. I can replay this though if, you know, we do come back down and get reclosure back below that opening price. The thought process was 2 minute inversion off this hourly. We flipped the opening price. I wanted to see this opening price then hold to then push lower, and then this hourly candle flips. Immediately was like, nah, buddy. But glad I scaled down there a little bit. Minus 180. Not too bad. Not too bad. But yeah, that reaction's basically like an instant fuck you, buddy. Not gonna happen. Man, is this gonna fulfill the bullish scenario? Or what? What's it want to do here? I will re-enter though if we get displacement back down and a closure back below here. I'm gonna give it one more try if it does that. Here's the 5 though. All right, dude. I'm going to reattempt it with the same risk. And I may look to add if we get 5-minute closure. Looks like I should not have closed it, huh? Hindsight, boys. Looks like I should not have closed it. We'll see here, though. What's my risk here? 39, 40 points. Not too bad, actually. Yeah, let's see if this 5-minute can close. And then if we do retrace back up to this BPR, I'll look to add a couple. Shouldn't have closed that first trade, though. Son of a gun. She fooled me, boys. No balls. I got scared. I got scared, boys. Somebody hold me. I'm waiting on this 5-minute closure. 30 seconds left. And then if we get retracement up in here, I'm going to look to add probably. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 5-minute didn't even close yet. Now it closed. Guys, I'm fucking scared. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm kind of scared. If we get a trace back up into this, like, near this opening price, I think I'm going to add one more. Guys, what is going on? Market scared me. Or not. I don't think I'm going to add anymore. ES is trading into a bullish gap. I don't know. I might even trail to break even. This market's kind of freaking me out. I'm break even now on this position. But yeah, my plan is I'm just going to take 2 of these 3 off. It's kind of unfortunate, I guess, that it's unfortunate that I closed the first attempt early, but then it's also unfortunate that, like, I was waiting for that 5-minute close. This happened right at the end of that 5-minute. That was the like the pyramid I wanted. I'm going to go 2 off, though, at this Asia low, and then I'm just going to leave one run. I think it's possible that we could really see this thing kind of melt if we see these lows here. And like if this if this hourly candle flips and makes this a bearish OB, I think we could see, yeah, I don't know, we could see quite a bit lower, I think. Yeah, good reaction here. Everything looks good so far. Just need to buy stop sell. Wait, just need a buy stop, no sell stop because we were rocking dangerous life. We were made for the dangerous life, Connor. Cooner. Is that your name, Cooner? That's funny. Good old NQ chop. Chops until it stops, right? Let's see here. Let's see if we can get the deliver to Asia low at 10:20 or 10:21 at the latest, boys. I like 10:20, 1 minute candle though. $10.20. Let's go. There it is. Boom. $10.20. I'm good at this shit. I'm a psychic. Buy my course. All right, guys. I just got one left running now. The only unfortunate part about that sequence is literally just I should not have closed here in hindsight, though. But I think you guys would agree with me. That looked pretty fucking dicey. So I was willing to cut the loss there a little bit short and then look for re-entry if needed. So, all right, Asia low here. If you guys want to be fully out, you can be fully out. That's fine. I'm going to give this an opportunity to maybe flip this hourly candle and then run lower. This is what we look like on the 15 right now. So to me, like everything is kind of aligning here perfectly. So can we get a run down here, even on ES? Equal lows right here, right? Like this all looks really, really heavy. I like it a lot. So I'm just going to, let's just let it run, man. Let's just see what happens. I'm not even going to watch it on the 1 minute. Let's watch it on the 15 here as this thing just kind of starts to drop. Let me go ahead and give us our old dual wield screens. There's weekly open. NQ looking for 29K. Yeah, 29K has been literally a magnet this week. That is for sure. You got a limit set right at 29? Yeah, I like this level here at 29,008. We'll see if it wants to deliver. Everything looks pretty good here though. Everything looks pretty good here. Yes, Crypto Surfer. At this point in the week, I'm gonna say you invented the 29K level at this point. I think I've seen you say 29K about 29,000 times. Yeah, guys. So yeah, just let it work for me. Just gonna let this work out with this one runner. See if we can get some more off of it, and then I don't know, maybe even look to see what 11 o'clock looks like for potential continuation. Maybe even like 10:30. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna let this play. We're after NVIDIA earnings. Like, there's really nothing left on the calendar. If we're gonna see some expansion this week, it's gonna be today, tomorrow. So I'm just gonna let this ride. All right. But yeah, the prophecy came true finally. Let me know if let me know who caught shorts here, boys. Who caught shorts here? Who was in originally and just didn't close out? I pussied out, boys. I pussied out. Cut into my profit a little bit. Had to re-enter. Let me know. Let me know. Drop your trades in the Discord if you guys want, and then go ahead and hit the old like button. We'll do a giveaway at 150 likes as always, chat. Hope you recorded that short trade, of course. Oh, everything's recorded. If it's not recorded, it didn't even happen. So that's usually how it works. Yeah, the 5 minute was 10:10. Palantir got it. Hey Tyler, was your entry based on the 50% retracement? No, but we did have that, yes, right? So I just wanted to see us manipulate up here into this hourly and then distribute lower, right? Because this was all accumulation in my view. And then this was manipulation, and we had equal lows left here at Asia and more sell side even below. So that was just, you know, I was waiting for lower time frame confirmation after we poked up into here. Was a little messy at first, but we pulled through. So but yeah, we did we hit 618 too or no? We did, bruh. I'm telling you, man, OTE, there's no, sometimes it's like, man, the most basic, the first ever model we were ever given. You could just rip OTEs and I think you'd be fine. Over time, it's like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know what I mean? And that shit be hitting very often. Very, very often. What's up, Vincent? Or, hang on here. What am I doing? I'm retarded, guys. I actually think I'm retarded. We did not get to 618. All right, boys. Forgive me. Yeah, let's just pretend that didn't happen. I didn't just do that. Oh, what a retard. You still love me? Thank God. What a retard. I still meant everything I said, though, about OT. I meant it all. I won't take it back. I won't take it back. And you won't, and you can't make me. I meant it. I love the OT. I love me a good fib. I love me a good fib. I don't care what anyone says. Fuck the haters, NQ. You hear me? Don't let them get to you. They're gonna try to get to you. You don't let them. That's funny though. How many time frames do you use? All of them. All the time frames. Big old 5 minute there. Where's the monkey? Oh, I guess we could bring out the monkey. I just don't really have like a, I don't have like a set target necessarily. I'm kind of just letting this run and just gonna see how much I can capture here, I guess, but focusing on the higher time frame and just letting these candles open and close and work. But yeah, I don't really have like a target that I'm like dying for at this point. So I don't know where to put my monkey. You know what I'm saying? Where do I put him? Do I just put him at 29,000 just for fun? I guess. Just for fun, put the monkey at 29K? Don't forget the banana. Don't forget the nana. The banana is price. 10:30 incoming, guys. So yes, we are wicking this Asia low. I do still like this closure here though on the 15, as well as like we're just generating, in my view, still more liquidity here and still liquidity here on ES. It looks like we're going to get this 15-minute inversion on ES as well. We'll see. Still looks fine. That's an ape plus setup, yes. Exactly, exactly. It's all fine, boys. It's all okay. This is all predestined. Open up, manipulate up. Let's see this expansion lower. Come on. Have some faith, boys. Have some faith in my Bobby. If it does trail me out here, then I think this whole week is just going to be a shot range. Literally like no expansion. Why short? Gabriel, were you late to class? Gabriel? Oh, what's hang on. Yeah, silver. Silver is just ranged up too still. Should we watch this on a lower time frame? We might have to say bye to the monkey for now. Five-minute. I guess we lose this 5-minute as GG's, huh? Most likely. Our monkey's waiting on us, Price. Don't leave the monkey hanging. Go get your monkey. He's down here. Come on. Go get him. Go get him. You go get that monkey. The bigger the banana, the heavier the banana. Write that down. Write that down. The bigger the banana, the heavier the banana. It's all part of the monkey banana model. Tomorrow should be slow like Memorial Day weekend. Yeah, Memorial Day is what, Monday? Like I said, man, I think if we're going to see expansion any day, it's probably today. If we don't see expansion today, we're probably just cooked. For this week, you know? I'm not going to put KFC. I don't want to offend anybody. But that would be funny. All right, fuck it. All right, fuck it. We'll put some chicken on here. We'll do it. We'll do anything. Is there like a nice little drumstick on here? Where we got here? Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh. As long as we don't, you know what I mean? Like going, like, this is where it would get like offensive if I put like a watermelon here too. We'll delete that one. I'm just kidding. We got to rely on the banana. The banana's been good to us. All right, guys, hit the like button. At 150 likes, we will do a giveaway. As soon as this trade comes to a close, or I guess if you get to 150 likes sooner rather than later, we can do it while we wait. Everything is okay here as long as it's not anti-Semitic. Yeah, but you know what's anti-Semitic is if you say Christ is king, that's also anti-Semitic. That's what they're saying. Did you know that? You liked but never win any giveaways? Me either, dude. I actually also never win any. Why is what so low? I already partialed here at Asia low, so I'm just leaving one run. I am just leaving one run. And that is really all I can say. And either we're going to get some expansion or we're just going to get more range chop. So I guess we will have to wait and see. But nonetheless, Gabriel, I think you were asking why short. I was just viewing this all as accumulation earlier. We had equal lows here at Asia low that were left. We get manipulation up into this hourly BPR and hourly breaker. So I was just expecting accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This was like low-hanging fruit for me. And then anything else beyond this is just going to be a bonus. So that was really all the logic behind it. But maybe we won't see expansion. That would be kind of sad. And gay. Longs are the play. Shut the fuck up. Right now. Shut your fucking mouth. Shut your fucking mouth right now. Oh, you retracted it. Thank you. Thank you for listening. No, no negativity, boys. Shorts only until we get break even stop. Then we can say longs. We can't say that right now. Keep that dirty fucking word out of your mouth. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You understand me, boy? You understand me, boy? Yeah, this looks chopped. This looks pretty chopped. Why, God, why? No, you're good, Killzone. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you. I don't know what's about to happen here. Maybe we pump, maybe we dump. You know, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't need to mark the NWOG. Let me tell you why. Look what I have marked right here, and look what we bounced from. Yeah, runner's just a bonus. Runner's just a bonus. All right, if we're not at 150 likes in the next 1 minute candle, no giveaway today. You guys have one more 1 minute candle, otherwise no giveaway today. I have to start giving you guys deadlines. The race is on. Liking the reaction off the 5 minute gap fill. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood. All right, guys. 30 seconds left. Are we doing a giveaway today? 35 likes away. It's up to you, boys. It's up to you. Ten seconds. Doesn't look like we're going to get there. I don't know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the vote is in, and the vote is no giveaway. All right. Which gap's going to win? Which gap is going to win? Unliking right now? You know what? Fine. I won't share my charts anymore. Two can play that game. Oh, God. Fuck. Not good. I think I might get my runner stopped out here. Not good at all. mean, do I just fucking close it? I feel like the moment I close this runner, it's just gonna fucking die. I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. Ride or die, boys. Ride or die. I don't really have much to gain from closing here anyway. Views went down. Good. Good. Let's get all the people that are here only for giveaways. They're here for, there's people that literally show up for 2 reasons: to troll if you lose and to hopefully get a giveaway. And that's all they show up for. Get them out of here so we can run a giveaway without them. You boys take me so literally sometimes. You boys act like I'm not a charitable host. I'm very charitable. I change my mind all the time. But yeah, seriously, hit the like button. You better hit the like button. What do I got to do? What do I got to do to get you to hit it? I'm not taking my pants off because they're already off. Oh, no. Fucking A. Come on. I think our runner's going to be break even, boys. I'm afraid to say it. I hope I'm wrong. Reverse psychology on the market. It's just distorting time. We're manipulating time. Wait for the macro. It's 10:45 right now. Macro so will be incoming soon. The 15-minute, like, that's just so gay. If like this comes all the way up to like this rejection block and then rolls back over, that literally makes me want to fucking kill myself. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to see that. Yes. Yes! Go! Throw some ass for the last 20 likes. I just need to get, you know what I should do? I should record myself twerking and then make it like a little meme here. Throw it on my meme deck.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
I command you to dump. ES wants those equal lows, and you won't convince me otherwise. I know ES wants those equal lows because it told me. ES wants 407 minimum. ES literally was promised 407 equal lows 3,000 years ago. And I'm tired of pretending it wasn't. All right, guys. Macro incoming here in 90 seconds. Everybody say some words of encouragement for NQ to drop. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Oh.
I'm gonna come.
Stop it. Get some help.
Asia Low once more. Come on. We need 407 ES, boys. We need 407 ES. Look at this. It's too clean. It's just they're all there for the taking. It's all there for the taking. We inversed here. Come on now. Come on, NQ. Do not be gay. I think we did hit the... Let me see the 15-minute quick. We did hit the 15-minute rejection block as well, though, so we'll see. We're not saved yet. We're not saved yet if this is all it wants to give is this 15-minute low sweep and then we just fucking fly. Oh my God, that would suck. Oh my God, that would suck. Oh my God. Please dump. Please dump. This is what holding a trade in a huge retracement does to a guy. Makes you question what's real and what's not. Did Trump really say that, or is that AI? No, that's actually legit. That's actually a real fucking thing that he said. That was during, though, I think that was during the 2020 election cycle, because Kamala said to not come to like rallies, I think, or something like that. And then he said, I'm gonna come. Yeah, 100% a real video. All right, guys, we are in the macro here. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I am liking what I'm seeing. Let's give this macro and like this hourly candle into the open of the next hour a chance to run. I'm not going to set a hard TP. I'm just going to try to like obviously get as much as I can and then time stop this thing. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. This needs to stop doing that. This really needs to stop doing that. Like, actually. Yeah, if it doesn't give us this, I am gonna... If it doesn't give us this, I am going to do things. I'm gonna touch you. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna touch somebody here. I'm gonna touch somebody here. I don't know who. Somebody's getting it, though. Pick me, pick me. Oh, no, dude. Guys, the macro is going the wrong way. The macro is going the wrong fucking way. Look at this fucking 30-minute chart. You shitting me? You shitting me right now? Stop it. Fucking had it up to here. Fuck. Every time when I come here, I am abused. You think 618 above this high is the play? Let's see. Yeah, dude, the monkey, I don't know, the monkey, well, the thing is like, I got the monkey off the screen, I deleted the banana, because it was kind of messing with our mojo here. I don't even know where the monkey is at this point. I don't know where he went. There he is. I don't know, let's bring him up here. I don't know, maybe this will help. Maybe 29K is too much. Yeah, dude, I just don't want to see like this hourly candle open up, like we trade up into this hourly rejection block and then fall off, because I'm literally going to just blow my shit smooth off. You know what I mean? I'm just going to go ahead and delete these gaps because they clearly don't mean shit. Why would I trail my stop? I already took 2 contracts off at Asia low. This is a runner. Do you guys know what a runner is? Do you guys understand what that means? Do you understand what that means? Yes or no? Let me know in the chat. I'm actually, I shouldn't have assumed that you knew what a runner was, because you know what I'm saying. What's my typical trade duration? Honestly, not super long. Like, well, it kind of just depends. Sometimes we get like a setup of a move in a 10 a.m. macro and then it doesn't deliver until the next macro. So sometimes they're longer, but I would say in a perfect world, like this would be a typical duration. So like what? Like 10:12 to 10:20, like literally a perfect macro delivery. Like that's, but those are when you get clean runs. Like we don't control when those clean runs necessarily are going to play out, but yeah, in a perfect world, in a perfect condition, it's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, like a 15-minute candle, basically. Are you not supposed to trail your runners? I just don't want to get trailed out and then this plays out, man. I'm trying to let the higher time frame work. I'm trying to let the higher time frame work. I mean, obviously, if I would have trailed this, you know, it can secure some stuff. But listen, when you take some partials, you can let it breathe, man. You can let it breathe. I've already secured green on the day regardless. And if we're going to see expansion, I just think today is the day for this week. I think today is the day I want to give it a chance. Right? If we're not going to see it today, I don't know if we'll see it. I don't know if we'll see it. Would you consider closing the trade if this runner goes back to the same dollar amount of the... No. No, I wouldn't. The P&L really has not anything to do with this, to be honest. I'm just watching the structure and the price and just giving it a chance. And honestly, ES, these equal lows, I just, you know what I'm saying? I really want to see them. Stubbornly. But we're manipulating time. I will say the 5-minute does look like dog doo-doo. And now the 15 is starting to as well. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe leaving runners is a scam. You get so tired of the chop. I know, it really drains a guy. I forget who in the chat said 618, take this high out and then dump. We'll see if he's right. But yeah, what I'm worried about now is just like this hourly is going to open up. We're so fucking close to my break even on the runner that could this hourly candle wick up into this rejection block and hold? Like, I wouldn't be surprised. So that's kind of my only like worry on that. But I'm not going to, I mean, if it happens, it happens, I guess. Leave it to the silver bullet hour. Leave it to the 10 a.m. silver bullet hour to be somewhat of a disappointment. I was hoping to see this hourly candle close below here and flip this hourly OB, if you guys remember. And yeah, it looks like that might not be the case. I think a manipulation up and hope for expansion down, and just hope it keeps me in the trade with this runner. But I don't love that my entry and my break even are like just below this rejection block. I don't love that. I'm safe. That'd be sweet. Thanks. I hope you're right. Hope you're right. We did SMT this high with a yes. Kind of generated some more highs, though. Let me grab it. There you go. Fuck yes, dude. Let's go. Don't disappoint me this time. Yes, dude. Oh. Who wants to... Never mind. I have been trading for like 6 years. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on. Don't be fucking gay. You guys know, because alternatively, this is also a rejection block, technically. We swept this liquidity here with this wick. So this is also a rejection block. No, bro. I'm fucking scared. Please help me. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. These fucking markets, man. How old is my account in TradingView? I have fucking no idea. I think 6 years old. Trump is going to speak soon. Says who? Somebody tell Trump to shut the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Also, now that we got everybody out of here that was only here for the giveaway, we're 5 likes away from 150 likes. So if you guys would like a giveaway, what I want you to do is I want you to go stand in the back of your room, take a running start to your keyboard or mouse, and I want you to drop that bottom down on the like button if you guys would like a giveaway. Because now we got all those people out. We got them all away. Which better odds for you guys. But yeah, dude, this chop is like nothing I've ever seen before. Just kidding, we've seen this before. We've absolutely seen this before, haven't we? Explain ATM model easily. I don't know what the fuck that is. So, you're on your own. You already liked, can't double like. Well, the thing is actually what you could do is you could go to another device and like, and you could technically you could double like. Is apparently what they've told me in the chat. That's what they've told me. Chels gets liquidated. I like that name. Or Chess. Oh, fuck. Sorry. Damn it, dude. Chess gets liquidated. Still here, dog. What's up, man? Chess gets liquidated. Oh, man. Yeah, I was not going to lie. I was hoping that name was a female name. Haven't felt the embrace of a woman since I opened this trade. This whole entire week has been seek and destroy. Yes, you are right, Bjorn. You are right. May has been something else. All dudes in here. Nah, we got a couple. We got a couple lurkers. We got a couple watchers. You know what I'm saying? They're like they're in the cuck chair in the corner. They're watching. They're watching. They're waiting. All right. Well, 11:06. This macro really didn't do a whole lot, did it? I think just for my own sanity and just for the respect of time, I'm just going to start to trail this down to like these 1 minute highs. And if we don't get some follow through, then God bless my soul. God bless my soul. Yes. Oh, please. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Ooh. Keep going. Please. Please keep going. Oh. Ooh, it's about to come. It's about to come. Ooh. You guys ever seen that banned Skittles commercial? It's a good one. You guys know what I'm talking about? I don't know if I should play it. If you go on YouTube and just type banned Skittles commercial, it's a good one. Come on, ES. 407. 407, bruh. NQ 113. Come on. Holy shite. Come on now. Let's fucking go. Get your head out of your ass. Or I'm going to put my foot up it. You know what I'm saying, boy? On the bed. Yeah, that's the one, Crypto Surfer. That's the one. Married couple. Taste the rainbow. You know, they don't make them like that no more, do they? What strategy of you use to trade? I trade the one and only strategy that is actually the correct strategy in trading, which is ICT concepts. Yeah, if you don't trade ICT concepts, you're just not going to be profitable ever. That's literally, that's like a foregone conclusion. All right. So yeah, I trade ICT concepts. What is my favorite strategy? ICT concepts. Imp FEG? Did you mean inversion? Nah, inversions are actually really gay. On it, like this is no joke. An inversion trade is quite literally my least favorite entry mechanism. And I'm not just saying that. That's dead ass my least favorite. My personal favorite is probably like a order block change in the state of delivery entry. Yeah, that's probably my favorite. All right, come on, 407 ES. 407 ES, come on. Monkey. You are not going to turn around right here. There ain't no fuck. I rebuke it. I rebuke that. You are absolutely not going to do that right there. You are going to go lower. So help me God. Yeah, the monkey does need the banana now. I don't know. The banana was not paying off for us last time. But we'll give it another try because that monkey is hungry, ain't he? He looks hungry, but he also looks like... kind of a little bit aroused as well, but... All right, guys. 407 on ES here. Oh, what does Tyler want to do? Is Tyler gonna close or is he gonna hold? What is he gonna do? Is he gonna hold and trail? Is he gonna close and get out? What does he want to do? You know, what does Tyler want to do? You know what's gonna happen though? It's like if I close it here, it's gonna just all of a sudden give us the most clean run you've ever seen in your life. It'll go from 113 to 29,000 in a matter of like 3 minutes. Or not. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Is the banana, wasn't it? It was the banana, wasn't it? Any higher and I'm taking the banana off. Maybe monkey doesn't want the banana, dude. Really, dude? Like, since when do you not want your banana? Get out of here. We need the market to slip on a banana peel and fall. My country is the USA. That is correct. Hold that shit like a man. ICT kill zone. Were you telling me it was going to go long? Now you're telling me to hold it like a man? I can't figure you out yet. All right, I'm taking the banana off. Ooh. All right, banana's coming off. We're not gonna risk it. Come on, dude. Quit being like this. I see the SMT here, but I see ES wants this 407. Come on, man. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Guys. Come on. Come on. You know? Shit. I've never seen equal O's be so strong in my life. I never seen it. Two-minute FEG. I'm just bouncing around time frames. I'm trying to find something. I'm trying to find a reason to hang on. A lot like life. That's crazy, dude. Come on. Weekly open again here on ES this time. Oh, jeez. I'm gonna make a deal with you guys because I'm also running out of patience. If this 2-minute inverses, I'm just gonna close this trade. We're gonna close the rest. Because I can't hold on any longer. stupid, dude. Absolutely fucking stupid. Yeah, no, just go fucking straight to heaven. Why don't you? Just go fucking straight to heaven. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fuck. Ah! Oh my god, NQ is actually AIDS. NQ is actually AIDS. This monkey. Fuck you, monkey. All right, dude. I'm out of my trade. I'm out of my trade. I'm gonna wait for the 2-minute inversion. Fuck off. ICT kill zone. You remember when you said hold that shit like a man? I got a bone to pick with you now. Jeez. Anyway. Anyway, I am out. After all that. And honestly, I might book an appointment at my local clinic, and I'm gonna have them check me for STDs after that, because that was actually gay. I'm pretty sure I just contracted something. I don't know what, but it burns. All right, man. Hit the like button on the stream, guys, if you would like a giveaway. We're at 166 likes, but hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hop in the Discord if you guys are not in there already. Bada bing, bada bum. Oh my god, man. Yeah, come on. I just hate rangy markets. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. Look at these 15-minute candles. You shitting me? When everybody else holds trades, this is their market. When I hold trades, this is my market. Oh, yeah. Am I crying or laughing? I'm confused. Yeah, I mean, I'm also confused. I actually don't know. But green is green, boys. Green is green. Up about 350 per account on the day. My dad's gay. How can he be gay if he's homophobic? Yeah, if it falls now, then fuck it. Blow my shit smooth off. All right, guys, hop in the Discord. You know what? I'm gonna pick today. I'm gonna pick today. We're doing a Apex account giveaway for any size eval. I got a few of these codes. I gotta get rid of them, boys. 3 minutes on the timer. Prize Apex. Any size eval for free. Apex, any size. Description. NQ. Sucks. All right, submit. If you guys want to be in the giveaway, join the Discord. Link is in chat and in description. Come to the giveaway tab. Hit the little giveaway horn. And we will have our winner in 3 minutes. There we go. Look at you, boys. You've been using Tanya Trades code for 3 months now, and she hasn't done one giveaway for Lucid. I just gave away back-to-back Lucid accounts. That means use my code. And I do have more giveaway codes for Lucid, but we got to mix it up. I will say, when I give everybody the choice of what code they want, they always pick Lucid, is what I've noticed. You guys always pick Lucid over TRADEIFY and Apex. But I'll make you a deal. We got a winner here in 2 minutes. If you boys get to 250 likes, no, you know, I won't do 250. I'll be a little bit more modest. 225. 225 likes, we'll do a Lucid giveaway as well. Israel rules. APAC. 225 likes, but we got to hit it before this giveaway finishes, all right? Very doable. There's still 330 of you left watching live. 189 likes, so you got like 30-ish likes to go. You got 58 seconds if you want a Lucid giveaway also. That's 2 giveaways, boys. That's 2 in a day. Which we did, what day was that this week? Yeah, these are all the giveaway tickets, just like in the last, probably like 6 weeks now. All these tickets right here. And these aren't even all of them. All right, guys, 20 seconds. Apex sucks compared to Lucid or TRADEIFY, in my opinion. I mean, it's basically the same now that they got end-of-day accounts. If you guys want a Lucid giveaway, just hit the likes. 20 likes away. 20 likes away with 10 seconds to go. Some people are just purposely not liking, so I guess they don't want it. All right, the winner is Samuel Beloyi. Ooh, Sam. I think you're a first-time giveaway winner there. First-time giveaway, Sammy. I believe. Oh, yeah, this guy's in Kenya. Baby Griffin. All right, Sam, as long as Apex is available in your country, open up a ticket, and then I'll give you a code. Yeah. But congratulations. You guys can drop your trades in the Discord if you guys took anything today. My executions look like this. So I took one small loss here on the initial entry. I entered off of a 2-minute inversion out of this 1 hour because we were in the 10 a.m. macro. So I wanted to give that a go. Once we closed back above the gap with this candle here, I just manually closed. And we ended up holding this wick, this rejection block. And then I just re-entered here on the 1 minute when price... This is my entry here. So when this candle closed here, another inversion, I basically just front ran price closing below here. But could have got picked up on this wick as well. So that was the reentry. First target, Asia low. Tried to hold one runner for expansion. You guys were here for all of that. Absolute nonsense. Trailed out in profit way the fuck up here on that one. Pretty awesome. But yeah, that's that, guys. That is that for the day. Someone once said I'm racist. Ouch. All right, guys, but hey, do a Lucid for the boys. I mean, man, I can't. Listen, here's my perspective. Here's my perspective. The stream is free, all right? The prop account giveaways, they're free. Hitting the like button is free. I mean, if you guys can't hit the like button, it's just my opinion that, like, it's not really a fair exchange. You know what I'm saying? It's not really a fair exchange. I'm out here every single day. I've been live on YouTube every single day for 2 years, completely for free. And some people are just going to be stingy about hitting a like button while they sit here and watch every single day. You know, it's got to be a mutual, like, there's got to be some sort of, you know what I'm saying? Like, you dap me up, I dap you up, fist bump, bro hug, maybe a little kissing, but like there's got to be a mutual, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I think you guys get it. I think a little tongue action. Yeah, whatever is necessary. But hey, good news is, boys, we'll always take a green day whenever we can get them. It does kind of put into question what is tomorrow going to look like? Are we going to just see more of the same? Obviously, the last trading day prior to Memorial Day weekend. Plan for now is to be live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just, you know, if price looks really bad, we'll obviously try to identify that and not participate. But maybe we'll get some movement here later in the day. Maybe we'll see it tomorrow. It's really hard to say. Some of you guys are saying Trump is supposed to be talking soon. I didn't see that anywhere, but I guess maybe he is. I don't know. Is Trump speaking today? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe he is, maybe he's not. I'm not sure. But yeah, man, green is green. So I guess we'll have to take it. It's been a fairly decent week overall, I guess. But it's just been slow, you know. It's just been like even like probably the best trade of the week was the continuation trade from Tuesday, which if you guys remember, we were longing down here. Unfortunately, got trailed out break even. And then I told you guys what I was going to be looking for PM for this continuation. And then, you know, was able to catch most of this move here, right? So like from like right here to these highs, caught this, which was nice. That was probably the best trade of the week, probably the best move of the week. And then, yeah, otherwise it's just kind of been, yesterday morning was pretty bad. This morning gave the delivery from both sides of this range, but no willingness to expand. We're literally right now sitting and chopping back and forth between 9:30 and 8:30 opening price. So kind of up to you guys if you guys want to continue trying to engage with this. But at this point, what are we going to do? I don't really know. 4-hour candle, obviously printing bearish. We did take out the previous 4-hour candle low. This 4-hour wick is just holding, you know, something fierce right now. So we'll see. We'll see. And I don't know if I'll take anything else today or not. Not if we're in this range. I definitely won't probably. But if we start seeing price displacing towards either draws lower or I guess, honestly, I wouldn't even be bullish until this gap probably got inverted, to be honest. So might be done for the day and have to just see what is left. But I'll keep you guys updated if anything changes. Appreciate you, boys and girls, for hanging out. Hit the like button on your way out. Have a great rest of your guys' Thursday. And if you want to get funded, use code Tyler for the best discount at your favorite prop firm, as it supports the stream and supports the channel. And without further ado, boys and girls, I'll see you back here tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't do anything I wouldn't do today. Don't be a silly goose. All right? I'm watching you. Peace and love, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.